What if I told you, the wrong welding helmet could ruin your vision forever? But the right one? It could save your eyes and make welding 10x easier. Today, we reveal the top 5 welding helmets of 2025, tested for safety, comfort, and cutting-edge tech. Before we start, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because number 3 will shock you with its insane features. Let's get into it. Number 1. Lincoln Electric K3034-4 Viking. Industry-leading optics, 4C lens technology and perfect 1/1/1/1 optical clarity eliminate imperfections in color saturation to create the clearest view of the base material, arc, and puddle. Perfect 1/1/1/1 optical clarity. This rating is determined by measuring blurriness, distortion, shade consistency, and angle uniformity of the auto-darkening welding lens. Extra large viewing area. The 12.5 square inch auto-darkening lens provides a large field of view to increase versatility and operator control. All-day comfort. Innovative X6 headgear distributes weight, reduces pressure, and optimizes balance. Industry-leading 5-year hassle-free warranty. Comfortably fits hat size range of 6.5-8. Head size adjustment. Headgear tightness is adjusted by turning the ratchet knob to the right or left to adjust for the desired head size. Number 2. 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet. 9121 auto-darkening filter enables more realistic colors to be visible for welders. See your welds and welding pool with more precision, contrast, and natural-looking colors. Fast and easy access. External welding helmet controls enable grinding in memory modes using 9121 silver front panel without removing your gloves. 2 memory modes allows a welder to set individual auto-darkening filter settings for darkness shade, light to dark switching sensitivity, and dark to light delay with the push-button access. Auto-on technology allows you to grab their welding helmet and get to work quickly by turning to the last setting used. Expanded peripheral vision. Side windows enable a large field of vision, making potential hazards such as obstacles and coworkers more visible. Number 3. Digital Elite, Black, QR. Advanced high-definition optics deliver a clearer, brighter, more realistic view for every stage of every weld. InfoTrack 2.0 monitors arc time and arc count for quoting and metrics. AutoSense automatically sets the helmet sensitivity by sensing your welding environment. Ideal for weld operators who frequently adjust their settings for changing welding environments. 4 arc sensors. 4 independent arc sensors provide superior lens response for obstructed or low-amp welding. Number 4. Antra Digital Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Instantly adjusts to the preset shade level as soon as the arc is struck, preventing eye strain and enhancing your welding accuracy. Clear vision lens. High-definition true color optics ensure a crystal clear view of your workpiece, allowing you to maintain precise control and weld quality. Adjustable fit. Customizable headgear and ergonomic design provide a comfortable fit for hours of fatigue-free welding, ensuring maximum productivity. Sensitivity and delay settings tailor the helmet's response to your specific welding needs, adapting to various welding techniques and environments. Number 5. YESWELDER Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The YESWELDER LYG1980 GKB quickly became a favorite among beginners at my workshop, and it's easy to see why. This auto-darkening welding helmet doesn't just offer impressive features, it delivers an unbeatable combination of outstanding optics, supreme comfort, and reliable safety, all at a wallet-friendly price of around $100. What sets this hood apart is its revolutionary 180-degree panoramic view, thanks to its 3 automatic darkening lenses and a lightning-fast reaction time of 1/30,000th of a second. This is a rare feature that you won't find easily in other models, making it the best automatic darkening welding helmet for those seeking pro-grade performance at the cheapest price. And there you have it, the 5 best welding helmets of 2025 that pros swear by. If this helped you, do me a favor, smash that like button, share this with a fellow welder, and subscribe because we've got a big helmet showdown coming soon. All the links to buy these helmets? Check the description below. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one, where we test if a $100 helmet can beat a $500 one.